what is the, that's been more and more in the news over the last couple weeks. But again, here, this is what we're looking at. We're looking at open interest that is extremely small. We can't trade that. We're going to be the market. We don't want to do that. CME looking weak right here. It's probably going to be a little bit too wide for us. Yeah, 20-cent wide markets on the at-the-money calls, or puts, excuse me. So you got 20 cents wide on something that's worth 60. So you're talking 30%, 33% bid-ask spread. You can't trade that for day trades. If something came up on a swing type of trade, we could probably do that, but certainly not doing it, trying to get in and out, especially when we're maybe trying to take, a 25-cent move. If you're trying to do a 25-cent move on a 50 delta option, well, you're trying to take 13 cents out of something that's 20 cents wide. It's not going to happen. You're just going to end up hoping to get lucky by buying somewhere mid-market, which on a day like today, it doesn't seem like the market wants to do that.